Welcome to My Life in a Biscuit Tin. I'm Liz Moseley from Good Housekeeping. The idea for this podcast was inspired by a conversation that I had with Jane Bruton, who is the Good Housekeeping Editor-in-Chief, over a cup of tea and a biscuit. In our lives, full of clutter and stuff like they are, what is really worth keeping? The legendary rock star Sharleen Spiteri.
I feel really lucky that I get to do what I love, and I've got to do it for such a long time.
An actor, a fashion businesswoman, and now director, the very marvellous Sadie Frost.
Any life, any soul, anything, like a spider. I'll talk to anything now.
Interior designer par excellence, Kelly Hoppen.
Things like that are really precious because they evoke back those good memories that you can remember.
The very wonderful storied theatre director, Jude Kelly.
Women have done incredible things throughout the whole of history, but they've often been buried or forgotten.
The very brave and brilliant Lynn Frank.
The opposite of patriarchy is not matriarchy, but fraternity.
My Life in a Biscuit Tin from Good Housekeeping is available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and wherever you get your podcasts.